here's a little secret that many of you may not be aware of. There are peak and off-peak hours of water consumption. Cities and municipalities jack the price up. I mean, it's public knowledge, but jack the price up. So during peak times, you pay more for water during, let's say, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. But during certain times of the day, it's off-peak hours, which means you can use more water. There's better pressure. And in some municipalities, it is a lower cost per rate of X amount of gallons when you use it. So you want to call your municipality and figure out when those times are, because then you can do wash, you can do dishes, you can water your garden, you can do a lot of things to save money when using the systems that the city has set up, but taking advantage of their on and off peak hours of water usage.
Right. And it's probably something you could possibly find online too, but that's good knowledge.
Find online and then confirm with voice.
Right. And it's good knowledge to have because that can save you money.
Yeah. Basically. I don't think people are aware of the off-peak and on-peak in most situations.
No, I don't think most people are either.
And the same thing is with power, too. So that's another story. But there's off-peak, on-peak for power, too.